وهيدي الحفافة عرضها 56 سم. هيدا القشاط ماشي بينحط وبينشد من هون له فقسة. بتعلى وبتوطى بهيدي المانيفال. هيدا القشاط هون دفاش بيبرم اوتوماتيك، بيسحب هو الخشبة هون بهيدي هون عدة سرعات. كتير مهمة، موتور بلا فحمات و220 فولت.
2244, meaning they can handle pieces 22 inches wide in a single pass, or double that with 2 passes. SANDER uses a wide drum with abrasive paper wrapped around it, so it can only remove a relatively small amount of material with each pass. This is the shortcoming when it comes to most drum sanders. Taking a big bite or a feed rate that is too fast will result in burning or deep scratches. You just use your fingers to pinch the clips. Once you have the paper in the left-hand clip, you roll the paper tightly on the drum, leaving about 1/8 of an inch between each revolution of the paper. When you reach the end of the paper, you insert it into the clip on the opposite end of the drum in the same way. Especially helpful if you are working alone, feeding multiple pieces into the machine.